Good day, I'm Caroline Brown-Thompson and this is your JIS News for Monday, February 24. Jamaica stands to benefit from over $500 million worth of investments from the privatization of 3 state entities. Speaking at last week's Public-Private Partnership Conference, Finance Minister Dr. Peter Phillips pointed to the benefits of divesting the Kingston Container Terminal KCT, the Norman Manley International Airport, and the Port Community Systems PCS.
All of which have the potential to mobilize significant investment and other inflows to the economy through taxes, concession fees, and capital expansion works. We expect increased efficiency in the operations through the adoption of technology, expertise, experience, and economies of scale.
The privatization of the KCT will further help to position Jamaica as the logistics center for the Caribbean, while the KCT will promote more efficient trading practices. The government is also contemplating a privatization arrangement for the Norman Manley International Airport, similar to that of the Sangster International Airport, which currently operates under a 30-year concession agreement. The Sangster International Airport generated an investment of approximately $183 million. The Agriculture and Fisheries Ministry is embarking on a slew of measures to protect the island's fishing industry. Among the measures being contemplated is the use of drones, which can be specially designed and equipped with sensors to detect and locate poachers. Measures are also being put in place to address the problem of overfishing.
In that regard, the ministry has expended some $40 million in the management of 14 sanctuaries, which has resulted not only in an increase in fish stock, but also in fish sizes.
He added that fish ponds at 2 agri-parks, Hill Run in St. Catherine and Milers Field in Westmoreland, are part of a strategic move to rehabilitate abandoned ponds to increase fish production. Minister Clark was speaking at the recent launch of the 2014 Rainforest Seafood Festival. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller is calling for more churches to return to the business of educating the nation's children.
The church's contribution to education in Jamaica has been both large and legendary. It is arguable that when the church had a more vibrant presence in our schools, the society was better for it.
The Prime Minister was speaking Thursday during the dedication ceremony of the Cedar Grove Academy in St. Catherine. A New Testament Church of God and Ministry of Education partnership, the co-educational institution opened its doors in September to 182 7th grade students and 35 6th form students. The school offers subjects in the humanities as well as science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.
The Cedar Grove Academy is going to be different and better because not only academic subjects are being taught here, but side by side will be those technical and vocational competencies which will make the outcome, the students graduating, ready for tertiary education and better able to employ themselves or be employed.
Government is providing support for the family and teammates of 18-year-old St. Jago High athlete Kevon McKenzie, who died suddenly after competing in a cross-country race in Trinidad on the weekend. Minister with responsibility for sport Natalie Nita Headley met the 17-member team and officials when they arrived at the Norman Manley International Airport Sunday. She told JIS News that government would be providing grief counseling and other support.
We've also looked at how best we can carry support for the school family as we extend the services of the psychologists who have volunteered here today to go out to St. Jago High School and the other schools.
In the meantime, discussions are in progress with the Trinidadian authorities to bring home Kevon's body.
The Prime Minister has made it very clear that he died during national duties and that we will be responsible for ensuring that we provide all the necessary support to take the family through this particularly difficult time, but to also ensure the execution of the arrangements going forward.
The team won bronze for the senior male category in the North American and Caribbean Athletics Championships held this year in the Twin Island Republic. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Caroline Brown-Thompson. Thanks for watching.